Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Felicia Heavican about bulk beef, and that interview will be on our Facebook page a little bit later. And now she is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
That's why we love Wednesdays, because we know our Common Ground volunteers are coming on the show, sharing amazing recipes with you all, and we get to sample them here. Tell us about the one you brought today.
So this one is spicy broccolini orecchiette,
Okay.
and I happen to just find this one. I really like broccolini compared to regular broccoli, so I was looking for a recipe that wasn't just plain broccolini, and who loves pasta? Me. So I had to make it.
And the family likes it?
Yes, yes, they do. And I'll be honest, I cannot pronounce this sauce, but I found this at Walmart, and it's a little bit spicier. And so when you add it into your mixture, if you want it more spicy, just add a little bit more of it.
Okay,
So,
it calls for that?
Yep.
Okay.
It's like a Korean type of sauce. But basically, you just bring your noodles to boil and then add in the broccoli when it's almost done. And I personally throw in stew meat in here as well, because I'm always looking for ways to use that, coming from a beef farm. And then there's bacon in it and some garlic powder, garlic, onion powder, and a couple other things.
Okay, we're looking at the recipe
Yes.
here now on the screen, and looks like it doesn't take too long to make.
No, it really doesn't. The longest part is probably boiling the noodles and browning the stew meat.
Okay, so something you could try tonight perhaps for dinner, okay. And so all you do is you boil the pasta. If you can't find this particular pasta, I'm sure you could use whatever noodle you like.
I'm sure you could. Yep. I just like this one because it was kind of fun. So
Yeah, okay, well let's give it a try here.
Yes.
And then looks like you have it in a casserole dish, so do you bake it at all?
I don't. That's just how I transferred it today. But to warm it up this morning, I just put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 15, 20 minutes.
Very good.
And there's heavy cream in it, which I love. It always makes it a little bit more creamy.
I can taste the bacon in it too.
Yes.
Very good, okay.
Thank you.
How big of a batch does this make?
So half of one of these 16-ounce bags. It was a pretty big pot still. Pretty
Okay.
big, quite a bit. To feed my family of, how many are we now? 6?
Yeah.
I used a whole bag.
Probably smart, especially I have a couple of good eaters.
Yes, and we
In my
love
house.
leftovers too.
Yeah, so probably you want to use the whole thing for that. Perfect. All right, so this recipe will be on our Facebook pages after this show, and you can copy it down. Another good one from our Common Ground volunteer.
Thank you.
Felicia.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, back to you, John.
All right.